Hello everybody. Today I'm working in a folder named week 13 and I'm making it my current directory in my command window by using command cd and simply pasting the path to this directory. All right, and so let's first open file named homework project 14. We follow the same approach. First, we will study the material covered in book chapter 14, classes, and these online tutorials about Python classes. And in our programs, we will use external Python modules to play MP3 sound and discuss text-to-speech generation, making it part of our animation class and then the library of animations. So I recommend that you may wish to review topics about sounds and animation previously covered, and then come back to watch the next few videos. So our last homework project is named Project 14, which allows us to experiment with Python classes and objects in computer memory. But of course, at the beginning, we'll look at a few samples before we introduce the idea of adding class definitions and creating objects in computer memory. So overall, the idea of an object is not new. De facto, we've already used plenty of objects in our code. For example, strings, lists, dictionaries are all objects, and we know they have built-in functions to provide common methods of managing list elements, manipulate characters in a string, and other functions found in Python dictionary class. But this time, it will be our own turn to design our own objects to represent our own concepts and make these objects instrumental to solving programming objectives. So let's start with a few examples.